Hey guys, it's Kaylee here and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Sorry if I sound a little bit quieter in this video. It's currently 11 o'clock and everyone in my house is asleep and I don't want to wake anyone up. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Did I already say that? I think I did. Sorry for being overly dramatic, but this is a dramatic situation that requires a dramatic reaction. Also, no, the thumbnail isn't what my nail actually looks like right now. It was actually a picture from last year when I broke my nail and acted like it never happened. But that's a story for a different time. Story time! So pretty much what happened is my nail broke while reaching out to close the car door. Not a very exciting story, but that's just what happened. So anyways, here's the nail break. It's actually not too bad, and I think I can figure out some solution to this. But first let's remove the nail polish to make sure there's no hidden splits in my nail. So luckily it was a clean break, so I didn't have any hidden or surface splits in my nail. So here's my choices I've come up with. After some elaborate research and very precise, accurate drawings, I decided to rule out filing my nail back into a stiletto shape. It's just too short and won't work very well. My next option is to file my nail into a square shape. I think this is the best option for this situation. With this solution, I could simply file all my nails into a square shape, but I've got something a little different in mind. So I haven't seen this much, and it's not very common, but I think I can leave my other nails a stiletto shape while having one square nail. I think this could work well as an accent nail. It just happens to be the universally known accent nail that broke, and I'm going to take full advantage of that. So first I'll start out with filing my broken nail into a square. Okay, so this nail compared to my pointed nails looks pretty short, and my other nails are pretty long at the moment, so I think I'll file those down a bit too, just for proportion's sake. I can never tell if I filed my nails correctly or not. Now, let's make a design to go with our new nail shape. Okay, so let's start out with a peel-off base coat, of course. I'm still not sure if I filed my nails straight or if they're crooked. I always have this issue, and it's especially obvious when a square nail is filed crooked. Speaking of crooked things, this brush is kind of crooked. I'm not sure if it's just me, but all of my Expressi polishes from Essie have a crooked brush. Does anyone else have this issue? Anyways, I still love the color of this polish, so a sideways brush isn't gonna stop me from using it. Now things are gonna get a little messy, so we gotta protect our skin and cuticles. I'm currently in love with this liquid latex from Holo Taco. I've had this liquid latex for a while now and it still hasn't dried up. I've had a lot of instances where my liquid latex dries up super quickly, no matter how tight I think the lid is on. I don't really know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm not having that issue with Holo Taco. Okay, liquid latex is dry and it's time to make a mess. So I got this partially stained fan brush, and I just took the colors I wanted to use and randomly put them on the tip of the brush. I wanted to really highlight the fact that I had a square accent nail, so I swept the fan brush parallel to the edge of my nail. So here it's angled and here it's horizontal. The trick to this is not to brush the colors over and over again. You want to make as few sweeps across the nail with the brush as possible. If you do this too much, all the colors will mix together and it just looks kind of gross. So I wanted to add some gold to these nails, but I didn't want it to be all mushed up with all the other colors, so I added it afterwards with a striping brush. So this looks kind of cool and all, but I'm feeling a little extra, so I'm gonna add some white. So using striping tape, because I can't paint a straight line, I followed the direction of what's already on my nails and painted on some white. Then peel that striping tape right away so you get a nice clean line, and there you go. There's how to paint part of your nail white. You're welcome. Top coat. That looks pretty cool, but I'm thinking this is a bit more of a matte kind of design, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna add a matte top coat, and there you go. There's my nail design. Okay, I think I can make this accent nail look work. This definitely isn't really a normal thing that you see in the nail community, but I think it's kind of fun, and I'm kind of loving it. I feel like I've unlocked a world that just holds so many new options. So let me know what you think of my grand idea to fix my broken nail and act like it never happened. It was a bit of an inconvenient time for my nail to break considering my next video, so I want to try to move past this with kind of a positive mindset, and rather than thinking of it as a tragedy, think of it as a new opportunity. Every ending brings a new beginning, right?